you wanna know. It's the coldest kind of comfort that we picked out, but we don't.
Erwan Yusuf, my ex.
Swimming in a sunset haze. Take me color. Crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head.
Ano to? Yung medium. Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. Today, nandito kami sa Alabang. Ngayon, nasa Molito kami. Kanina nasa ATC kami. And I'm with my high school besties. Hello! Say hi to the vlog.
Kung kailan talaga umiinom.
Say hi. And Mela!
Hi, vlog!
Ayan. So, nandito kami. Naka-line up kami sa Chingolo. Is that how you pronounce it? Basta sa restaurant ni Nico Belzico and Erwan Yusuf, my ex. Kapal na mukha. So yan, nag-iintay kami kung magkakaroon pa sila ng bakante. Tayo yung next if ever, no? Ayun. Ayun lang, babalikan ko kayo. Sa inyo.
Yung hindi mo pa sa'yo nakatawa. Maganda to ba?
Then inform ko lang ngayon mag-game break na set up online.
Okay. Wow, gym life. Thank you so much, Kiteki. Pwede magpa-photo? Thank you. Thank you. So let's begin, shall we? Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas. Cheers. Cheers to the memories. This is for the people who just... Kumanda na naman. It tastes like water. Cheers. Thank you for the food. Oh, there's an insect. 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 Have it. I want salad. I want salad because I'm on a diet. Thank you so much, Mom. You're the best. Sarap, no? It's the next day, guys. And hindi na ako masyado naka-vlog kahapon kasi nga hindi kami madalas magkita ng mga beshies kong ito. So, ini-enjoy ko talaga every moment na meron ako sa kanila. So, binaba ko ang camera at hindi na ako nag-vlog. Marami kaming ginawa ng mga kaganapan kahapon. Pumunta pa kami ng ibang mall, nag-Starbucks, nag-midnight snack, and kung ano-ano pa. And of course, chika-chika. Ngayon, gusto ko lang ipakita yung mga additional Christmas gifts na na-receive ko. I'm really, really grateful. I did not expect na may makukuha talaga akong regalo ngayong Pasko. Pero maraming salamat talaga sa mga nakaalala sa akin and binigyan ako ng regalo. So ipapakita ko yan. By the way, kahapon napagastos pala tayo kasi naiwanan ko yung memory card ko. So I have to get myself one. So may bago tayong memory card. Yun lang, share ko lang. So, let's start with the haul. By the way, if feeling nyo nagmamadali ako, yes, nagmamadali talaga ako kasi magsisimba kami. And gusto ko lang ma-make sure na ma-vlog ko to or ma-film ko to kasi nga, I'm really grateful sa mga taong nagbigay sa akin and I wanna document this para mababalikan ko anytime tong moment na to, 'di ba? So, let's start with the gift from my baby brother and my baby sister, Lara and Third. So, they sent this gift sa aming bahay, I think, yesterday. So, they gave me 4 items. So, number 1 is this cute scrunchie. Actually, ginamit ko to agad kahapon. And then ito, I'm really happy about this kasi I've been looking for yung mga malaking shock-shock because I'm a shock-shock type of girl. Ito, dinala ko na rin kahapon. They gave me a mirror. So, dual-ended mirror siya na color pink. They know me so well. So, ayan. And last but not the least, they gave me an eyeshadow. So, this is from Dazzle Me. So, ayan yung binigay ng aking baby brother and baby sister na si Lara and Third. Next gift na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ito, na-surprise kami ni Mela kasi yesterday, habang nag-iikot kami sa Uniqlo, nakita ko tong bag na to, nagandahan ako. Pero wala akong planong bilhin siya dahil wala akong karapatang bumili ng bag. So, nakitan lang ako sa kanya. And then, habang nag-iikot kami, nagulat kami. Nang biglang sinabi ni Gian na kung gusto man namin yung bag and bilhin namin para pare-pareha kami. So, ito ang Christmas and year-end gift niya sa amin. So, thank you so much, Gian. Super na-appreciate ko talaga. And sobrang na-happy ako kasi nga, gusto ko yung bag tapos bigla niyang in-offer na bilhin niya para sa amin dalawa ni Mela. So, pare-pareha kami. So, we got this parang oxblood na bucket bag from Uniqlo. So, ayan siya. I can't wait to use this. Hindi ko magagamit today kasi nagmamadali na nga ako at hindi na ako maglilipat ng gamit. But yeah, I'm really happy about this one. So, thank you so much, Gian. I love you so much. Ito, another item from Uniqlo, pero ako na bumili nito. Ito talaga sinadya kong bilhin. So, I got myself a green underwear kasi sa New Year daw, swerte to. And kailangan mong kumain ng 12 pieces na grapes pag 12 o'clock sa ilalim ng lamesa. So, gagawin natin yan. Kaya ako siya binili. TMI, pero yeah, I got one for myself. And let's see kung mag-work siya. Last na gift na ipapakita ko ay from Mela, of course. So, she came back from Hawaii. So, she got something for us. So, unahin na natin itong nasa isang paper bag. So, yung una is itong Nerds Gummy Clusters. So, ito yung binili niya for us. And binila niya din kami ng Candlelight Limited Edition Bonfire Nights. So, ayan siya. Very cutesy. Ilalagay ko to dito sa aking desk. And tingnan natin kung mabango siya. But I'm really excited to try that one. And then, lastly, from Sephora. So, she got me my ultimate favorite and very reliable na setting spray. And sakto, paubos na yung one size setting spray ko. So, ito yung one size Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. And this works wonder, you guys. So, talagang effective siya. Kaya sobrang gamit na gamit ko to.
The tourist is a 53-year-old Scottish man named has yet to identify what the animal is. Number 9, wash photograph. Neck and small head ranging from with police officers. There have been over 50 reported deaths.
Hello everyone! It's the first day of 2025. Happy New Year sa inyong lahat. Kagabi hindi ko alam kung may mga nakunan ako na clips. Basta hindi ako masyado naka-vlog. But today, nakapag-church na kami. And mag-late breakfast ako. Actually, brunch na to. Dahil anong oras na din. And currently, I'm watching David Gison's vlog dahil nag-propose na siya kay Angelique. So, I'm excited to watch the actual proposal. Nakita ko na yung post sa Instagram, but now, we are watching the vlog and kakain tayo. For our breakfast, I'm having carbonara. So, of course, maraming leftover. So, yan ang kakainin natin.
This is Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
This is Elmo. This
Correct.
is Bart. This is...
Um,
This is Fairy.
Bernie and Bern.
Oh, but it's my favorite. It's been to different countries.
Going to Caret, which is last few times that we've been in Paris. Last two. Maybe.
Gago.
Kaya ba ako nakaman? Mary Angelique Serrano man to. Will you marry me? What's your answer?
Yes, of course. Let me see this.
Tagal mo yung gloves mo.
I don't like